A good education is essential in enabling us to thrive, and we all engage with education practitioners at some point in our lives. We're the EWC, the Education Workforce Council. Anybody working in an eligible role in education in Wales must be registered with us, and they are expected to follow the Code of Professional Conduct and Practice. The Code sets out the standards of conduct and practice expected of practitioners, both in and out of the workplace. It also helps you to understand exactly what you can expect from them. When they register, education practitioners commit to upholding the 6 key principles of the Code. 1. Personal and professional responsibility, recognising their role as a public figure and the responsibilities which come with that. 2. Professional integrity, acting honestly and being accountable for their actions. 3. Collaborative working, working together with colleagues, learners, young people and parents and guardians to deliver high standards of work. 4. Leadership. Those with leadership and management responsibilities set a positive example supporting their team and being accountable for their decisions and actions. 5. Professional knowledge and understanding, staying informed of the policies, procedures and guidelines relevant to their role. 6. Professional learning, committing to continued professional development, keeping their skills up to date and improving where necessary. We know occasionally things can go wrong, and as the independent professional regulator for the workforce, we will investigate and take action where needed. To support practitioners to comply with the Code, we offer a range of resources, including guides on a wide variety of topics and professional development events. We do all of this to safeguard learners, young people and parents and guardians, and to maintain public trust and confidence in the workforce. You can read the Code now by visiting ewc.wales/code.